The best UK trading apps in 2022. Here's a look at the best when it comes to trading applications in the UK and how to pick one that best suits your needs, whether you're new to buying shares or an experienced stock market investor. In this video there is a list of apps that address various users, from beginners to more experienced investors. 1. Etoro. Good for beginner investors. Beginner investors should utilize Etoro since it allows users to follow and even imitate the trades of reputable investors with a track record of success. One of the most important things about Etoro is that it is FCA regulated. This means that the consumer can trust the firm as it ensures that the Etoro treats all consumers in compliance with strict criteria laid out by the FCA. Etoro offers the service of being able to explore over 2,500 stocks and can invest in global and local stocks with zero commission. 2. Freetrade, easy investing with go-to guides. In addition to access to large and mid-cap stocks in the UK and the US, as well as initial public offerings, IPOs, and special purpose acquisition businesses, SPACs, Freetrade's basic service offers commission-free trading. Freetrade is also FCA regulated. It also offers restricted access to a number of businesses listed on the marketplaces of Germany, Finland, and the Netherlands. Freetrade offers a Freetrade Plus that costs users £9.99 per month but offers considerably wider investment choice. 3. Fidelity, good for investing in funds. Fidelity is a really good one for investing in funds as it has a lot of options. Investors can select from more than 2,500 funds and shares from the FTSE 100, FTSE 250, FTSE All-Share, and FTSE AIM 100 through Fidelity. Investing trusts, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and some Irish shares provide further investment options. FCA regulated as well. A watch list analyzes the performance of up to 50 investments at any given time, and the service enables users to link family members' accounts to see everything in one spot. 4. Trading 212, good for paper trading with virtual money. With access to more than 10,000 stocks and ETFs from the UK, US, Germany, France, Spain, Netherlands, and other markets, Trading 212 enables limitless commission-free transactions. Trading 212 also provides more than 3,000 contracts for difference, CFDs, on equities, currency, gold, oil, and indices for individuals seeking more complex investments. Users can open a practice account that uses pretend money for free and for life. FCA regulated as well. 5. IG, more for experienced investors. Users of IG can trade on more than 17,000 international markets, including those for commodities, indices, options, and shares. It has news, real-time signals, automatic trade alerts, and interactive charts. On commodities, users can spread bet or trade CFDs, and options trading is accessible on a number of assets with daily, weekly, and monthly timing. FCA regulated as well. It offers a more in-depth trading platform compared to the others but also more confusing for the beginners. All 5 of these brokers are just some of the best in the UK. Special mentions could also go out to the likes of Hargreaves Lansdown and Interactive Brokers. If you have enjoyed this video and found it useful, please press the like button and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, see you all next time.